You do your yoga? Other leg. You do the other leg. Good girl. Now your arm. You do your arm. Good girl. Now the other arm. Good girl. Good. Stand up. You stand up and reach up high. Good girl. Touch your toes. Good girl. And downward dog. Leg up in the air. Put your leg up in the air. There you go. Other leg. Good girl. Good girl, Charlotte.